Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Conococheague local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moving involves hours and sometimes days of travel from one place to another. Therefore, a professional mover service is your go-to solution. 3 Movers is a licensed firm that takes care of long-distance moving and documentation, since every state might have a different FMCSA regulation for movers and packers as service providers. 3. Movers offers damage protection to your belongings by providing insurance on all your belongings, from packing to unpacking and settling. In addition, we also provide auto transportation, so you do not have to drive for hours and hours in your car. You can save money, time, and energy by choosing 3 Movers. 3 Movers is experienced in providing safe transportation of your belongings while packing the in-safety sheets, safe loading, and unloading techniques. If the distances are lesser, you can also choose same-day moving, wherein you can receive your belonging on the same day. In addition, you also get damage protection even in short distances. Finally, you can pick a full-service option, wherein the packers will pack your belongings and help you settle in the new apartment by placing the things in place. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Conococheague moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.